Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. Today's video is different and yet special to me. It's an unboxing video where I will be unboxing my tripod which I bought from amazon.co.uk. It costed me for £18 and was delivered within a week. So let's start with unboxing. So this was the box that I received, and let me take you through the Hama company which has made this product. So it says Hama the Smart Solution, and the model number is star 75 125 3D, and it says 3D tilt head and quick release plate, and the shortest height it will give is 42.5 centimeter, and it will go tallest till 125 centimeter. So this is the look that they have shown on the box, and the detailing that they have given for the product is that camera tripod for non-jerky images and a steady hold on uneven surfaces, suitable for photo and video cameras. Second, spirit level integrated into the tripod head. Third, continuous height adjustment of the center column. Fourth, leg braces and rubber feet for a firm and steady grip. Fifth, with a functional quick action legs lock, the tripod legs can easily and quickly be fixed at the required height or position. Over here they are showing over here they are showing the height of the tripod and the plate that can move in all 3D direction. This is the quick release plate. This is the maximum width of the stick that the legs of the tripod. The total weight of the stick is like tripod is 62 grams, and it comes with a carry bag which is shown over here, and it's free of cost. Now let's open the box. The box is quite hard, and here we go. It comes in a plastic covering in which the carry bag is there. Now I'm removing the plastic covering. So the carry bag is like this, as you can see with the handle. So this is the carry bag, Hama, with the zip over here, which I'm opening now. It opens till half of the height of the stick. Another plastic covering. So the tripod is over here. About the bag, it is of not that much of good quality that I expected where they were showing in the website. It comes with a very weak handle, but you can carry it for like short distances, but I'm not sure that it will last you long if you put too much of weight on it. So yes, this is the bag, but it's good. It's for free, so it's good. Now I'm taking out the plastic covering of the tripod. Yay! So this is the tripod, and we can open it from here like this. So it's standing. So this is the quick release plate which can be released from here. This is the plate on which we can put our SLRs or DSLRs or cameras that we want, and we can place it like this, and it's locked. And this is the handle for 3D movement of this tripod. And it can go in all directions. As you can see, I'm showing it to you. So yes, so another thing that I wanted to tell you about is its height. Now I'll be showing you about the extended height that it gives. So we'll open the lock from here. So this is the first height that it gives. And we can lock it from here once it gets opened, and we'll again lock it. So this is the first height that it is giving us. Wait, I'll show you. Guys, this is the first height after we released one of its lock. So this is the first height. Now let me take you through the second height that it provides. Opening the second lock. I've opened its second lever from over here and locked it again, and this is the second height that this tripod provides us. Now let me take you through the third height by opening the last and the final lock of the tripod. Guys, this is the last and the third height by opening the last lock of the tripod. So this is the maximum height of this tripod, that is 175 centimeters. Guys, this is my tripod. Now I'll start using it and I'll give a review on it also, that too very soon. So I hope you like my video. If you liked it, do give me a thumbs up. It will make me very happy. Do comment in the comment box and let me know about how you felt about this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, that is Foodie Mom, with your friends. Share it with your friends and you also subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye.